What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add a water intake calculator into your WordPress website for free. So how to add a water intake calculator widget, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics in our choose internet on our site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is go to Google and find your water intake calculator, okay? My favorite one is this one right here for inch calculator, okay? So just go to Google water intake calculator widget and you're gonna find this option right here. Click on it and now we have a couple of options, okay? We can adjust the sidebar, we can make pop-up window, text link. I prefer this one right here, okay? Water intake calculator. I think it's the best one for me, okay? The full widget embedded. After this, you're gonna be able to get the code. Just scroll down and you're gonna be able to find the widget HTML code, okay? Copy that. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus and hover mouse over page and click on add new page or go to a previously made page, okay? Right here, all we have to do is click into this plus button right here to add a block. And right here, we're gonna search for a block called HTML, custom HTML. Place your widget right here. Let me save the page with the name water. This is especially useful in the case that you want to create a widget in your sidebar because you have a fitness site, a fitness club, a gym website, okay? Or even a store website, okay? That you want to sell more glass of water, for example. You can just sell more bottles of water. Hit the publish button into the upper right corner of the screen. And let's preview the page. And here is our water calculator. First thing, the body weight. You can change. In my case, it can be 100. We used to do 1 hour. And now let's calculate. And here is the results we got. The results seem good for me, okay? Now, how to apply this if you are using Elementor or if you are using, for example, WP Bakery. Let's start with Elementor, okay? Add new page. Click on Edit with Elementor. While page loads. Now we're gonna click into this plus button or we can review the left sidebar of menus and search for a widget called HTML. And here we go. Place it right here and place the code of the widget, the calculator. After this, publish your page and you have your page. Of course, you can apply this into custom columns, blocks, or any other sections of your site, okay? What else we can do? We can apply this using WP Bakery. How to do this? Go to page, add new. Now we're gonna click into WP Bakery Page Builder. We can use both backend or front-end editors now. We're gonna use the backend to make it simpler. I would like to start with a theme layout and add an element. Now I'm gonna search into the upper right corner of my screen for a widget or for a feature or for an element called HTML. Let's place the code. Let me delete the previously added code. And here is the result we got. Let's preview. And here is our calculator. Simple, easy, and ready to appear on your page independently of the page builder that you are using, and of course works for free. In the case that you want to hide these links, hide this text, of course you can customize this using CSS in the case that you want, I will not teach you how to do this, but if you want, really, let me know into the comments, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below. In the case you don't have any question, don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site for free. Our Enzu free WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that can start to customize your site in the way that you want. Our growth.net platform, a platform where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. And in the case you want to promote your site, your app, your game, go to the sites.gallery. It's our CSS gallery, okay? And in the case that you want to go premium while you're doing your sites, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click for every single business styles. In addition, for premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more pro features to create the site of our dreams. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!